Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, my name is Melda, and before I start today, I'd like to say thank you to each and every one of you just for showing your support by subscribing, liking, commenting, and just watching my videos. Please know that it means the world to me. And the purpose for each recipe is to make a difference in your life as well as your kitchen. God bless you. So today, I'm preparing a corned beef sub. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. If you want to give me an instant tip, this tab is found right below this video. You make your selection. This will help to keep us current. I will continue to bring the restaurant home. God bless you and thank you in advance. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay? And also, don't forget to hit the bell button to be notified of every video I upload. And if you've just subscribed, welcome to our family. My name is Melda. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the love and support. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.